Check and see how your hips are lining up. Slight shift on the right side. Okay. So let's have your lay on your side facing towards me. All right, there. All right, bend top knee. Good. And then bring the hips forward. Perfect. Cross the arms right there. All right. Nice and easy, just let it relax here. This way. Good. All right, other side. Cool here. Cross your arms. All right. This way. All right, sit up. Okay. Cross your arms. Chin down. Okay, breath in. Good, let it out. There we go. Good. All right, now on your back. Straighten your neck. All right, let's see. C2 on the left, C5 on the right. All right, nice and easy. Just let it relax here. Come this way. Good. Okay. And the right side. Anything, let it relax there. Good. And a little bit of a stretch. Cool. All right. Keep your hand up. There you go. Good as new.